Guys, I wanted to show you this wheel that I received from the company. I love doing hand building with air dry clay. And I was really excited to receive this. So you can see I've been using it. I'll attach or I'll upload another video of me actually like doing a project on here. So it comes with the different rings so you can really like center it, make sure that you're in the right place. I just find that it's like very convenient to really do the projects by spinning it and not having to worry about like rotating or moving the piece around. You know, get to move it yourself. You can also use this for cakes, so that's another purpose for it, but I've been using it for clay. It's really sturdy. It's very heavy. It's a nice piece of metal. It lays flat on the table, so I'm not worried about like wobbling or anything like that. It spins super easy. This is actually the bigger size, so I like to have it bigger, which I appreciate. You know, it's a really nice size. I definitely would pick this up if you need something like this, or if you want to like, you know, change up how you're doing some of your projects. I just find this is like a great tool, and this is very well made. I have no issues with it whatsoever. Like, it doesn't feel cheaply made. It's solid, and I haven't had any problems. Really highly recommend this.